Ma'am!
How do you do?
Look at that horse there.
Hey,
How about you get down off that horse?
my God.
It weren't like that, lady. Sorry about that.
Goddamn!
You took me serious, didn't you? Getting all red in the face?
That wasn't funny.
Hey, partner!
The hell? I hope you're making your peace. I'm gonna knock you sideways.
That all. Come on! Hey, stop! Think about this!
All right, keep your shirt on. Don't say a word. Go to hell!
And just to cement our friendship, give me your money.
Okay, here. This is all I got. No. You'd think nothing would shock me these days.
Howdy, mister. Howdy.
Hello there.
Oh, partner! I need the wagon. Come on. Whoa, Look out!
Go to hell!
You messed with the wrong ranch!
Gonna feed you to my life!
Blow it!
Checked off that.
mister.
Hello, sir.
Is that all? Wake up and pay up. Quick!
You better turn heel right now, you hear me?
Shut up and pay up.
You
Come
want to
on.
start? I'll put a hole in your head.
Quick! Just
Oh, for the love
clear
of
the hell
God.
out of here!